Hey guys, it's Hannah here with another video. I have an exciting product for you to show. This is not a sponsored video. I've done my research. My wife and I were looking to get a vacuum, and we decided to go with the Dyson V7 Motorhead. Just to let you know, it is very lightweight. We already have an iRobot that cleans the floor, but you know, you want to clean some things on the ceilings and little things that the iRobot doesn't catch. So we decided to get this guy, and we got a really good offer on it. We went to BJ's, it was 200 bucks. They had $70 off, and even I think on Amazon is like $300 directly from Dyson. So for 200, I think it's pretty good. So here's the back of the box, front, side, and what I love about this, it actually has a HEPA filter, which is reusable. It's washable. Here's my box cutter. Open this, and here we go. First time I'm opening this. Let's take a look. So we have a manual. If you have any problem solved, there's a phone number to call. You can register for the warranty. Activate your warranty online by mail, phone, or text. Okay, let's take a look what else we got here. All right, so this looks like the bracket that you put on the wall, so that way you just hang the Dyson there. Put that aside. We got the brushes. Oh, that's cool. This little brush goes up and down, it extends. This is also good in those small areas where, like especially in the car, because this is cordless, so it has a battery that lasts for 30 minutes on maximum power. So for that little place between the car seat, which I'm definitely going to use on the Tesla. We have the power brick charger, standard. Look. I'm waiting for the best for the last. I'm saving the best for last. So this is the longer stick. Put that aside. Here is the bottom portion. And for the grand finale, make sure there's nothing else in the box to show you guys. Yep, there's nothing else. Let's put this box on the side. And here we go. Okay. Tells you 3.5 hours of charging. You have here max suction, and then it has high suction, extended run. You have the HEPA filter is on top here, so you just pull this out. This is the HEPA filter. You wash it once a month with cold water and just let it air dry, and then you put it back. And this is the battery. And that's it. So it's saying 20% charge fully before use. So we're gonna charge it to use it, and that's pretty much it. And what I love about it is when you want to throw out the trash, you just take it to the trash can and you pick this red thing up, and as you see, it falls right down. So there you guys have it. We're excited about this. And I don't think I've ever been excited to start cleaning more. All right, thank you for watching.